New to Forex trading in Australia and not sure where to start? Choosing the right broker can make or break your first trading experience. In this video, we reveal the brokers that give beginners the easiest, safest on-ramp in 2025. Welcome to CompareForexBrokers. I'm Noam, and today we're ranking the best brokers for beginner traders in Australia in 2025. We evaluated user-friendliness, education, trading costs, and customer support to find the top picks for you. OANDA tops our list thanks to its simple OANDA trade platform, the option to trade from just one unit, and no minimum deposit. 5 Tier 1 licenses make OANDA one of the safest brokers, and guaranteed stop-loss orders help manage risk. Pepperstone lets you pick MT4, MT5, CTrader, or TradingView, and charges no minimum deposit. Spreads on the Razor account average 0.1 pips on the Euro USD, and execution speed is among the fastest we've tested. ThinkMarkets offers 0.1 pip average raw spreads, deep liquidity, and solid educational webinars. Platforms include MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView, making it ideal if you want tight pricing without sacrificing learning resources. ThinkTrader's clean interface, auto chartist integration, and one-click trading simplify charting for newcomers and users of ThinkMarkets. There's no minimum deposit, and the Trader's Gym backtesting tool helps you practice safely. FP Markets gives unlimited MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView demo accounts funded with up to $100,000 in virtual currency. When you switch to live trading, you keep tight pricing and fast execution. Plus 500's web and mobile platform is built for clarity with built-in risk tools like guaranteed stop-loss orders. You also get an unlimited demo account and straightforward spread-only pricing. eToro lets beginners copy experienced traders with a few clicks, turning learning into hands-on practice. The platform covers Forex, stocks, and crypto, so you can diversify as you grow. Before you choose a broker, consider ASIC regulation and safety features, trading costs on beginner accounts, platform ease of use and mobile experience, quality of education and demo access, funding methods that suit Australian traders too. OANDA is our best overall pick for beginners, but each broker shines in its own way. Match your learning style and budget to the right platform to set yourself up for success. Thanks for watching our guide to the best beginner-friendly Forex brokers in Australia in 2025. Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell down below for more unbiased broker reviews, and visit CompareForexBrokers.com for full side-by-side comparisons. Thanks for watching.